1. Trim the frayed edges with fabric scissors. Before sewing over the hole, trim excess thread around the edges of the hole with fabric scissors. This will make it easier to sew the hole closed and reduce the visibility of the seam. 2. Thread a heavy-duty needle and tie a knot for security. Use all-purpose polyester thread that matches the color of your denim. Slip the thread through the eye of a heavy-duty needle until about 18 inches (46 centimeters) extends from either side of the needle's eye. Then, cut the ends and tie a knot to secure. Use a 90-14 needle for light and medium-weight denim or a 100-16 needle for heavyweight denim. 3. Turn the jeans inside out and insert the needle below the hole. Weave your needle from the inside of your jeans 0.5 inches (1.3 centimeters) from the hole. This anchors the thread at the strongest point in the denim, allowing you to fully cover the hole. If the denim isn't strong enough on the edges, insert the needle 1 inch (2.5 centimeters) from the edge of the hole instead. 4. Weave vertical straight stitches across the back of the hole. With your needle inserted, pull the thread through. Grab one edge of the hole with the needle and straight stitch across the hole to the other edge. Move the needle below the new stitch to create another vertical stitch. Repeat this process, working from side to side until the length of the hole is stitched. Tug on the thread after every few stitches to close the hole. A straight stitch allows you to move in and out of the fabric in a straight line to mend fabrics. 5. Tie off the thread inside your jeans. After sewing the hole shut, add 0.5 inches (1.3 centimeters) worth of stitches to ensure the hole won't rip again. Then, tie off the thread inside the jeans to secure the stitches.